Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to make a trending transition in After Effects without any plugins. Let's get started. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. First create a new adjustment layer. Now scroll to the midpoint between your two clips, then go 20 frames back by holding Shift and pressing Page up twice. Trim the beginning of the adjustment layer by holding Alt and pressing the opening bracket key. Go back to the middle point again, then scroll 30 frames forward by holding Shift and pressing Page down 3 times. Trim the end of the adjustment layer by holding Alt and pressing the closing bracket key. Now return to the middle point and apply effects, starting with camera lens blur, then turbulent displace, and finally VR chromatic aberration. Make sure your playhead is in the middle of your two clips, then start adjusting the effects. Begin with VR chromatic aberration. Click the aberration red and aberration blue stopwatch icons to add keyframes. Next set red to -30 and set fall off distance to 20. Now under the turbulent displace effect, set the amount to 120 and the size to 180. The size is optional, and you can adjust it based on your preference until you find the sweet spot. Make sure to click the amount stopwatch icon to add a keyframe, then move on to the camera lens blur effect. Change the blur radius to 15 and click the stopwatch to add another keyframe. Next scroll to the beginning of the adjustment layer and press U on your keyboard to reveal all keyframes. Set all the values to 0. Then go to the end of the layer and set all the values to 0 there as well. Select all keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Then open the graph editor, right-click, choose Edit Speed Graph, and create a smooth curve similar to mine. Once that's done, preview the transition. Everything looks smooth and good. For the final step, I like to add a shake, but this is optional and you can skip it. I'll add one shake from the AM Film Shakes pack. You can get the shakes pack from the link in the description below, or you can also check my shake tutorials on the channel. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.